Hello and welcome to a video room review of the Holiday Inn Express in Lisbon. This is the central one on Lisbon, name on the screen below. Just taking a look as we come in. Holiday Inn Express always find are the most consistent budget hotel. One of the preferred options when we're going away and looking for a budget stay. Not the cheapest, but certainly the most consistent. So here we go, very comfortable bed. I always find their beds very firm, which I prefer, and always a good selection of pillows. Swinging around, there's quite a large lounge chair, kind of like a mini, almost like a mini couch. It's fit two people side by side on there. Bit of a squeeze, but you could. Coming round, you can see the desk area where there's a mini fridge for your own use. TV, plenty of options on there for channels, international channels, and yeah, just your standard work space. I can't see any USB ports, no, and there's only one plug there. But I have to say, it's not what we've been using it for anyway. It's just been a base to go into the centre of Lisbon. Coming up towards the entrance area, there's a wardrobe. Plenty of hangers in there, and there's also where your safe is, and just next to it are your tea and coffee making facilities, and there's also a spare blanket up top for the cooler winter nights. One of the things we like about Lisbon is you are in southern Europe, but you have that constant cool breeze from the Atlantic, so it never feels like it gets as hot as perhaps their Iberian neighbour. Swinging around into the bathroom, it's a good size, plenty of light due to the fact we have a window in here. All the windows do open. Two towels, there's two people here, and your single vanity, large, very large mirror, and your shower around the corner. But there's the shower. Again, plenty of space, water pressure's decent. It doesn't drain away the fastest, and occasionally there's a little bit of a drain smell, but that's what you expect in the older buildings. It is kept pretty clean. I say pretty clean, it's kept very clean. The only thing I really noticed was just the dust build up on the blinds, and the outside windows do certainly need a clean as well. Just showing you where we are. So with Express by Holiday Inns, generally all rooms are created equal, but they always have something that's a slightly different shape, and they often leave for their top tier customers. We are Platinum Elite, so we were given this room here. So all the rooms you can see are the same, pretty much the same size. These ones are slightly wider. All have one window. This room has three because it's on the corner, which means you get a ton of light in here. You have the window in the bathroom, you have a side window in the main bedroom, and then the curvature, you have a window, door and balcony. They do open as windows and they open as doors. I'm not sure they're supposed to, because they feel a little bit like they should be locked, but they do swing open. I wouldn't personally stand out there, but it's nice to get a good view. There's the review of the Express by Holiday Inn in Lisbon. Please leave any questions or comments below. Also check out our travel essential list in the descriptions below. It's things that we've been asked about, the things we've been asked in the past. We're just building up a list now of things that we like to bring with us on some trips, all trips, or just general things we think make sense. So there you go. Please give a thumbs up, and we will see you in the next video. But until then, take care.